welcome to first Java tutorial. First of all, my name is Olajire Abdullah. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to program in Java language. But this first tutorial, I'm going to show you an introduction to Java programming language. So, what is Java? So first of all, I'm going to show you the history of Java. So these are the history of Java. You can also Google search on histories, because this history, they are what, it is plenty. So I can't just upload all the history here. So you guys, you can also Google search on the history of Java. So Java programming language was developed by Sun Microsystems, which were initiated by James Gosling. So you can also Google search for more information. So what is Java? Java is an object-oriented. In Java, everything is an object. Java can be easily extended since it is based on object model. So in object-oriented, we have what is called inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction. So we have uh, we have different categories in object-oriented, and Java is also platform independent. What do we mean by platform independent is that in VB, which is Visual Studio, VB program can only run on Windows, but this Java is platform independent. It can run on any operating system, every operating system. Let me say every operating system. So it can run on every operating system, and Java is simple. Java is designed to be easy to learn. Java is very easy to learn. So Java is very easy to learn. The base concept of what will be Java, it will be easy to master. So Java is also key secure. With Java secure, it enables you to develop virus free. And Java is also error free. What do you mean by error free is that Java allow you to create your own error in order for maybe the user, you want the user to enter an integer, only integer value. What's an integer value? Integer value, maybe you want the user to enter only number in your program. So Java allow you to develop or create a program that can allow you to create a program that if this user enter a value which is not integer, it should show this output. So Java allow you to do that. So what do we need in this tutorial? For now, I'm going to recommend Java JDK 8 for you. So after Java JDK 8, just download Java JDK 8 and download this Sublime text editor, or you can use Notepad or Notepad++. So any text editor for now. So later we are going to use maybe Eclipse or NetBeans. So this is the download page for Java IDE. So in this video, I'm going to put the download link here. So you can also copy this link and just download the IDE. So, but for now, just download the JDK 8 and Sublime. So just leave Eclipse and NetBeans for now. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. So thank you. You are going to enjoy this Java tutorial. I bet with you guys, you are going to enjoy this Java tutorial. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.